I heard about Kepler from on the net, YouTube, and mostly their website, what they do, the courses they teach, because they are totally different from what I actually expected. The cities are clean, people are hospitable, and their culture is interesting. It was easy for me to adapt, work with people, to associate with everyone. Their courses are unique. We have to learn how to type 50 words per minute. They have taught us to be good public speakers. I've never had such experience. My favorite course was Python because I'm interested in coding. Python is a programming language that is used for different things, developing websites and many other things. But because I'm studying business analytics, we use it to analyze data. Teachers come to class and they teach us in person. It's not lecturing. You are supposed to come 10 minutes before the class. This teaches us how to be professional, to manage time. Kepler has a gym. They have the basketball court, they have even the football pitch. I enjoy playing football, but I also hit the gym sometimes. You have to gain some serious muscles. There are groups, cultural groups, inclusion groups, such that you can feel at home. They made the environment welcoming. Kepler has prepared me to reach my goals, to identify our purpose in life, to know who we are, how to acquire job opportunities. If you want to achieve your goals, you have to come to Kepler.